Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy, facial recognition, and smart glasses. So I've been watching the smart glass market for several years now. We're seeing that some of the road bumps that previous makers of smart glasses, some of those things are being overcome, especially around the price of smart glasses, the weight of them, and then also the accessibility of them. So, in addition to, for me, I always thought a good use case for smart glasses would be for health. And so, we're seeing now smart glasses being put out that you can put prescriptions in and be able to use it. Maybe people who have accessibility or vision issues can possibly use it to identify objects, help them see better, but there have been moves towards trying to embed uh, facial recognition or have facial recognition capabilities in smart glasses. So that means that instead of smart glasses, like I think people think, oh, well, if I look at an object, I can look up on the internet. But some of these makers are thinking about having smart glasses where they can look at the face of a person and try to identify them and gather information about them. This, to me, this is a very scary concept, but there's a huge gray area here because I think traditionally the way people thought about, like, for example, you're in public, you don't have a reasonable expectation of privacy, but that was around just you observing someone in a public space, not delving into their identity, their background, things like that. So to me, I think it's a stalker's dream to be able to look and and find out information from people. We're already seeing people who want to post things or do things anonymously on the internet that they have been either doxxed or people were able to find out their identity and their location. So I think for me, it's really concerning that we're moving into smart glasses in a way that creates more risk, safety risk for people who are being observed. So I think from a business point of view, if businesses want to implement smart glasses, making sure that you have not just guardrails, but making sure that the purpose is clear and the purpose is narrow so that you're getting the benefit of the technology without amplifying the potential risks that you have there. I'm always concerned about something, not only is observing someone, searching them, then also retaining that information in the future. So we'll see how companies attack this. I've seen different parts of the spectrum. So I've seen companies try to go towards more, let's do more uh, facial recognition, other types of things. And then I've also seen some smart glass makers come out and say, well, we don't take any, we're not recording, we're not taking any pictures. We're just trying to enable you to do things like maybe look at the internet or do different things, but you're not capturing images of people. You're not gathering information about them. You're not searching about individuals. Maybe you're searching for a place and time. Maybe it's helping you view something that you couldn't view the same way before. But I think smart glasses are probably going to become a lot more popular, especially as we see people want to do things around prescriptions and using them for visual effect. So I do think it's going to become more popular there. But then on the flip side, too, we're starting to see certain businesses ban smart glasses, probably because people have had bad behavior or there's been experiences where people aren't comfortable. So I think this is a societal issue where we're going to decide whether what we want in the future for people who are using smart glasses and what types of uses we're going to have. I'm really interested though to see what Apple comes out with. I've heard that they're going to do several types of smart glasses, so I want to see what they're going to do, especially because they already have a OS and an ecosystem be very interested to see what they do there. I've been very impressed with what they did with the watch, so I'd be interested to see what they do with their smart glasses. That's it. Thank you.